Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to reset your big account password. Sometimes you may forget your password. If you have forgot your password, don't worry, it can be reset. To reset your VK account password, first click on browser. Go to vk.com. Click on the forgot your password button. Enter your phone or email. Click on next button. Click on I am not a robot. Here you will be asked to select pictures according to the questions. Click on the picture according to the questions. Enter your last name. If this is your account, click on yes, this is the profile. Click on the get code button. Check your phone or email for the code. Enter the code. Click on confirm button. Enter your new password. Your new password should be combinations of upper and lower cases, numbers and special characters. Repeat your password. Click on send button. Now your password has been successfully reset. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.